What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Keisha TV, and I'm back with another one. You dig?
Baby wanna be Gucci down. Baby wanna be Gucci down. Little baby wanna be Gucci down. You pull out the shit, better shoot me now.
In today's video, we're bringing y'all a product review, and today's product is going to be a soap, Dr. Bronner's Peppermint Soap. It's an 18-in-1 hemp peppermint pure cast out soap. That's what the bottle's reading. It's been a product since 1858. Alright, we're going to read this together. The ingredients, it says water, organic coconut oil, potassium hydroxide, organic palm kernel oil, organic olive oil, mentha arvenis, organic hemp oil, organic jojoba oil, mentha piperita. I don't know what one that. I really don't know what that is. I'm going to have to look that up. Put it right here if I can look it up. Let's see. There it is. It's mint. I feel so stupid because it's mint.
You're a dumbass.
If you didn't know what mentha piperita, whatever it is, if you didn't know what that is, basically that is a scientific name for peppermint. Now I know. It also has citric acid, tisopherol, and nobody cares about that. 100% post-consumer recycled plastic bottle for the ones that's, very concerned about the earth. There you go. Helps the environment. Boom. Got you. Why? Some other cool things about Dr. Bronner was what's on the bottle, because there's a lot of writing on this bottle, and I don't think a lot of people are going to want to read this whole thing, so I'll just point out the important things on the bottle. One thing I noticed is that he put a message here that reads, enjoy only 2 cosmetics, enough sleep, and Dr. Bronner's magic soap to clean body, mind, soul, spirit, instantly uniting one. I said uniting one. I said that right. Absolute cleanliness is godliness.
For facial pack, scalp, and soothing body rub, add dash on bath towel and sink of hot water. Wring out, lay over faces and scalp, massage with fingertips. Repeat 3 or 4 times till arms, legs, and all are rubbed. Always towards the heart. Rinse towel in plain hot water and massage again. Breathe deeply.
Oh my God! Wow!
Alright, y'all. So basically, what he's saying in that message is that's the overview of the product. That's what you can do with the product. That's how he recommends you to use the product. But you can use the product however you please. Why I like Dr. Bronner's Peppermint Soap so much. Enough with the specs and all that.
It's about damn time.
Let's get down to about the ways. Why do I like Dr. Bronner's Peppermint? Dr. Bronner's Peppermint Soap has lather that is amazing. A lot of people don't know this, but this peppermint soap is actually amazing when it comes to the lather. If you put enough water and you add this is the best shampoo. I actually found this out recently. A lot of people use this to make shampoo. They use it as a base. This is how they use shea butter. A lot of people use shea butter to make hair products. They use this to make shampoo. It has a very good lather and it's really good for your hair. If you or anybody you know has really long and tangly hair, 4C hair, this soap will help detangle, because with me going a long wool session such as 11 weeks and having as much hair as I do right now, this really works well, and I like the detangling feel that it gives me when I do use it with my washing styles. As I explained already, Dr. Bronner's Peppermint Soap is not just for your hair. It is for your entire body. You can use this for everything, okay? But, like you see, I have this cap on the bottle. This cap is basically the entire meaning behind it, because a little goes a long way. It's very easy to use too much of this soap, but it's very easy to use it wisely when you only use a little bit. Enough water and this goes a long way. Like you can see on the bottle right here. I don't know if you can see it right now. I might answer another clip, but on the bottle it says dilute, okay. 1 small squirt applied to wet hands or washcloth to wash hands, face, or body. Work 1/2 teaspoon into wet hair. Rinse with Dr. Bronner's organic hair rinse. Listen, we don't have Dr. Bronner's organic hair rinse, but as you can see, it tells you work 1/2 of a tablespoon into wet hair. And at the end of the day, that's all you really need. But I do use a little. I use more than that, of course. Duh. Like 1/2 tablespoon. I probably use 1 tablespoon or more. But it lathers up real nice. It really does. this is a really good soap, especially to wash your face with. If you have acne, this will get rid of your acne faster than any product you've used yet. I promise you. This product right here gets rid of acne very well. Alright, but the real reason why I like Dr. Bronner's peppermint soap so much is because when I'm washing my hair with it, feels like it gives me a nice moisturized feel or texture to my hair. Just when I'm doing a washing style. My bad, the video got cut off, y'all. But I realized, I know my hair is wet. I know that when I use this, you know when you have a special product when you start to feel good. When I use this and I wash my hair, it makes my body start to feel good. It's like, it relaxes me almost. And it's like, I can feel my hair getting the nutrients that it needs. It makes me feel like I really did a good washing style when I use this product. Now this cap, my mom did put on this bottle. But Dr. Bronner's does not come with this type of bottle. But it is a smart idea to get, if you have a bottle that has, I don't know, a pump on it. Yeah, if you have a bottle that has a pump on it, take it off and put it on here. Because it will be a very smart decision. A very smart decision. Absolute cleanliness is godliness. Listen, if y'all don't know about Dr. Bronner's peppermint soap, my bad, y'all. One more thing. It was one more thing that I want to say about this product that I didn't put in the video that I should have put in the video. But this product, because it's peppermint, will have your head cold. Your head will be cold from this product. And sometimes, depending on the temperature of your water, your head's either going to be freezing or it's just going to be cold. But I just thought that you know that. That's really the only thing about it. But it's like a soothing sensation at the end of the day. So once you get it's like putting your feet in the pool for the first time, like that day, you know what I'm saying? It's like just gonna be cold at first, then you get used to it. But here y'all go. Y'all need to learn about Dr. Bronner's peppermint soap because this soap is honestly amazing. And I'm letting y'all know about it now. You can get this from the vitamin shop. I'm pretty sure you can order this on Amazon. And if not, if you check Amazon, if you check the vitamin shop and you don't find anything, which I would be surprised, but if you do not find anything, just Google Dr. Bronner's peppermint soap. That's all you have to do, is Google Dr. Bronner's peppermint soap. Listen, y'all, I wouldn't tell y'all to use nothing that I would not use. What is the point of that? Why would I tell y'all to do that? That's just wrong. I wouldn't tell y'all to use something that I wouldn't put in my hair. Use this, you will thank me later. You're going to get more depth. You're going to get more moisture. You're going to get more progress if you use this soap. I guarantee you. It was your boy, Q-Salid TV. I hope y'all like this review. I hope y'all like this little update on products. If you want to see more products, you want to see more videos like this, if you want to see, you feel me? If you just want more content, please drop a like on this video. If you want more content, if you want to see more content, make sure you also subscribe to the channel. If you want to get notified about more videos that I'm going to be uploading on the channel, make sure you turn on post notifications so that you can get notified every time I upload a video. It was your boy Q-Salid TV, and I'm about to be out of here. Make sure you like that like button. Make sure you like that like button. Like, I'm really not playing with y'all. Make sure y'all like that like button. Can I please get 10 likes? All I'm asking for is 10 likes. Please just give me 10 likes. Woo!